In front of me is Motorola One Action, and let me show you how to turn off or activate the iPad tones on the following device. So, if you will open your phone dialer, you will be able to hear that currently it is active. But whenever you want to mute it, just open the settings, find and pick sound, go to the advanced options, go a bit lower, and here turn off the iPad tones by tapping on the switcher. From now on, it will be muted. As you can hear, that's actually nothing to hear. It is muted, so no digit is connected with the sound. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.